राजवीर अकॅडमीमध्ये आपल्या सर्वांचे स्वागत आहे। आज आपण चॅप्टर नंबर 2 दॅट इज क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन हा चॅप्टर आज स्टार्टिंग करणार आहोत। तर चॅप्टरच्या सुरुवातीला पुन्हा सर्वांना रिक्वेस्ट आहे की जर आपण आपल्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलेलं नसेल तर लाल अक्षरामध्ये सबस्क्राईब या बटनावरती याच्यावरती क्लिक करून चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करून घ्या। ओके, आणि हा चॅनल व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडले असतील तर लाईकही करा, आपल्या मित्रांपर्यंतही पोहोचवा। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट द चॅप्टर नंबर 2. चॅप्टर नेम इज क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन दॅट इज वर्ग समीकरणे। ओके, मराठी वर्ग समीकरणे। ओके, इन फर्स्ट चॅप्टर वी हॅव लर्न अबाउट लिनियर इक्वेशन। ओके, लिनियर इक्वेशन इन 2 व्हेरिएबल। ओके, लिनियर इक्वेशन मीन्स द डिग्री ऑफ व्हेरिएबल इज only 1. Okay, but now we have to learn about quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation means here the degree of variable is maximum degree of variable is 2. Okay, not less than 2 or not greater than 2. Okay, if the maximum degree of variable is 2, then that equation is called quadratic equation. But in quadratic equation there is only one variable. Okay, only one variable. Okay, now we have to see the definition of quadratic equation. Okay, let's start. An equation with only one variable and maximum index or degree of variable, okay, is 2. Okay, such type of equation is called quadratic equation. Okay, these two things are most important. Okay, only one variable and maximum index or degree of variable is 2. Okay, these two sentences are very important to decide this given equation is quadratic equation or not. Okay, for example, okay, example first, x square minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, here x is variable, here is also x variable, but this is one type of variable. Okay, we have only one variable. Okay, only one variable means not one time. Okay, only one type of variable, here is a x, here is also x, means this is one type of variable. Okay, and maximum degree, here degree of variable is 1 and here is degree 2, here is no variable. Okay, means here is no variable means if there is no variable in number, that's why there is x raised to 0. Okay, because x raised to 0 means 1. Okay, means here we can write 4 multiply 1 and 1 means x raised to 0 means 4x raised to 0. If there is no variable then there is 0 degree. Okay, remember this. Okay, such is the example of quadratic equation. Okay, now we have to learn about their standard form or general form. Okay, in Marathi सामान्य रूप. Okay, general form. Okay, the standard form of this quadratic equation, that is x square plus bx is equal to plus c is equal to 0. Okay, here a, b and c are real number and a is not equal to 0. The condition, here is the one condition, the condition is that a is not equal to 0, because when a is 0, then when a is 0 means 0 x square, then multiplication of these two is also 0. Okay, means highest index is not 2. Okay, means this term will be cancelled. Okay, means remaining, what is remaining? Bx plus c. Okay, and maximum index is here 1. Okay, then that will not be quadratic equation. Okay, that's why a is not equal to 0, means coefficient of x square will not be 0. Okay, this can 0 and value of c can be 0. Okay, this is the standard form or general form. Okay, in Marathi सामान्य रूप. Okay, मराठीमध्ये वर्ग समीकरणे म्हणजे काय लक्षात ठेवणार, त्याची व्याख्या काय आहे की असं एक समीकरण आहे की त्या समीकरणामध्ये एकच चल आहे. ओके, त्यामध्ये एकच चल आहे आणि त्याची जास्तीत जास्त जी डिग्री आहे किंवा त्याचा आपण घातांक म्हणतो, ओके, तो घातांक किती पाहिजे आपल्याला, मॅक्सिमम किती पाहिजे, तो जास्तीत जास्त 2 असायला पाहिजे. ओके, म्हणजे एकच व्हेरिएबल आणि सर्वात मोठा घातांक किती असायला पाहिजे, 2च, त्यापेक्षा कमी चालणार नाही, त्यापेक्षा जास्तही चालणार आहे, किमान 2 हा पाहिजे. असं जर एक्झाम्पल इक्वेशन असेल तर त्या इक्वेशनलाच काय म्हणायचं, वर्ग समीकरणे. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट वी हॅव टू सी द रूट्स ऑफ इक्वेशन. ओके, रूट्स ऑफ इक्वेशन means the definition for that. Okay, we have some questions in practice set 2.1. okay, and practice set 2.1 is depend on standard form. Okay, means we have to decide this is quadratic equation or not, and second one is roots of equation. Okay, means what is roots of equation, म्हणजे समीकरणांचे मूळ किंवा त्याला जो उकल म्हणूया. What is the roots of equation, value for which, okay, means we have given the some values of that variable. Okay, values for which both sides of equation are equal. Okay, both sides of equation means the here right side is 0 and here left side is this given. If we have given the value of variable, then we have to put this value of variable in that example, okay, or equation, and we have to calculate if and last final answer will be how the equations are equal. Okay, both sides of equations are equal. Okay, if both sides of equations are equal, then such values are called roots of equation. Okay, now let's start the practice at 2.1. Okay, first question is given that write any two quadratic equation. We have to write simply, we have to write the any two quadratic equation. You can write, but remember that the definition of quadratic equation, that is maximum degree is 2 and that contain only one variable. Okay, I am going to write here example. You can write any variable, okay, in small letter. Okay, y square minus 10y is equal minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, this is first example, first equation. Next one, y square plus 5 is equal to 0. We can write like example, because here is only one variable and maximum degree is 2. Okay, then we can write this equation. Next one, y square. Okay, this is also quadratic equation. Okay, because here is no b and c, but we can take that terms 0. Okay, 0 y square. Okay, you can write any example, m square, 5m square plus 5m minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, you can write on your own words or your own mind. This was question number 1. Okay, now question number 2. Okay, in question number 2 we have asked a question, decide whether the following are quadratic equations or not. Okay, question, these given examples are quadratic equation or not. Okay, and how decide we, how can we decide that these given equations are quadratic equation or not. Okay, we need the variable, only one variable, and maximum degree of variable is 2. Okay, maximum degree of variable is 2. Okay, check here, here is only one variable. Okay, I can write here variable, how many variables, only one. Then degree, okay, how much degree, degree, maximum degree. Okay, maximum degree is 2. Okay, therefore x square minus 5 plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0 is quadratic equation. Okay, is quadratic equation. Okay, simple. We have to check only variable and maximum degree. Okay, variable, only one variable. Okay, and maximum degree of variable, is 2. Okay, that's why this given equation is quadratic equation. Next, now example number 2. Example number 2, we have to compare the given example with standard form of the quadratic equation. The standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have to write in standard form. That's why first of all y square, then variable 1, degree 1 variable. That's why we have to take this side. Okay, and only we have to take 0 to right side. Okay, that's why here is minus 5y. Okay, and when we take to left side, here minus, then here will be plus 10 is equal to 0. Now we have to check variable and maximum degree. Okay, variable, how many variables, variable only 1. Okay, and maximum degree, okay, maximum degree is 2. Okay, therefore y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, is a quadratic equation. Okay, in Marathi variable चल, okay, we can write here चल, त्याचा चल किती आहे, एकच चल आहे. मॅक्सिमम डिग्री म्हणजे जास्तीत जास्त घातांक, ओके, सर्वात मोठा घातांक, ओके, सर्वात मोठा घातांक किती आहे त्याचा 2 आहे. ओके, मराठीमध्ये इथं सुद्धा लिहू शकतो व्हॅरिएबल म्हणजे चल आहे, ज्या एकच चल आहे त्यामध्ये, आणि मॅक्सिमम डिग्री म्हणजे सर्वात जास्त घातांक, ओके, सर्वात मोठा घातांक असंही म्हटलं तरी चालेल. सर्वात मोठा घातांक काय आहे, 2 आहे. ओके, नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल नंबर 3. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हॅव टू राईट दिस इक्वेशन इन स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म. ओके, in standard form, that's why this y is in denominator. Okay, here is no any term is in denominator, okay, or variable is in denominator. That's why we have to remove that y from denominator. Okay, that's why, okay, multiply by y, okay, multiply by y, okay, then y multiply y square plus y multiply 1 by y is equal to 2 multiply y, then y multiply y square, y cube, y get cancel, remaining 1 is equal to 2y, then y cube, this we have to take right side at 0, means minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here variable, how many variables, okay, only 1, then maximum degree, we have to check maximum degree. Maximum degree is equal to 3. Okay, but our condition is that the maximum variable is only 1, but the degree of maximum degree will be 2. Okay, then that is quadratic equation, but here maximum degree is 3, therefore y square plus 1 by y is equal to 2 is not quadratic equation. Okay, that was not quadratic equation. Okay. This is example number 3. Now example number 4 from question number 2. Okay. Here is the x at denominator, we have to remove, like example number 3, means we have to multiply given example or given equation by x. Okay. Means multiply by x, then what we will get, x square plus 1 x get cancel. Okay, or we can write that x multiply x plus x multiply 1 by x is equal to minus 2 multiply x. We have to multiply whole equation by x, then x multiply x, x square, x get cancel, remaining term is 1 is equal to minus 2 multiply x, minus 2x. Okay, then take this minus 2 to left side. Okay, means x square, this firstly here is minus, here will be plus 2x, remaining term 1 is equal to, here is 0. Okay, then variable, okay, variable only one variable. Okay, then maximum degree, okay, maximum degree is 2, and therefore x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Okay, this is example number 4. Now example number 5. Okay, we have given two brackets. Okay, if we solve these two brackets, then we got the equation. Okay, then we have to solve this m multiply m and m multiply 5. Okay, m multiply m, because here two brackets means multiplication of two brackets. M multiply m means m square, m multiply minus 5 means minus 5m, then 2 multiply m, 2 multiply 5, 2 multiply m, here is plus, here is also plus, means 2m, then here is plus, here is minus, then plus multiply minus, minus 2 multiply 5, 10 is equal to 0. Okay, then solve it, m square, this 5m minus 5m plus 2m. Okay, one term is minus, another is plus, then subtract smaller number from the bigger. Okay, means 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 3, give bigger number sign is minus. Okay, minus m, minus 10 as it is equal to 0. Check variable, only one variable. Okay, then check degree, maximum degree. Okay, maximum degree how much, maximum degree is 2. Okay, therefore m square minus 3m minus 10 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Okay, this is example number 5. Next, last question from example question number 2. Okay, this example, don't judge this given example by saying the degree of this. Okay, we have to check it. Okay. Next one, m cube. Okay. m cube plus 3m square minus 2. Okay, take this 3m cube to left side. Okay, means here is plus, here will be minus 3m cube is equal to 0. Okay, here m cube, here also m cube, means these two terms are like terms, then we can make addition or subtraction of these two like terms. Okay, here plus means 1m cube and here is minus 3m cube. Okay, means one term is positive, one is negative, then we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger, means 3 minus 1. Okay, means minus 2, bigger number sign minus. Okay, m cube, then plus remaining term 3m square, then what is remaining, minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, write down the variables. Okay, variable and then maximum degree. Okay, variable only one. Okay, only one type of variable is here, and maximum degree is 3. Okay, degree is 3, therefore this is not quadratic equation. Therefore m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 3m cube is not quadratic equation. Okay, such type of example will be asked for 1 marks or 2 marks in. Let's start the question number 3. The question number 3 is given that write the following equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and then write the values of a, b, c from the equation, from each equation. Okay, means we have to write this equation in the standard form. Okay, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right, in the standard form. Okay, then first of all we write writing in standard form. Standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Okay, then write given equation in standard form, that is first of all, okay, this take y square to left side. Okay, means here is minus, here will be plus. Okay, then y, 2y, and then this we have to take 0 to right side only. Okay, means we have to take this 10 to left side. Okay, here is plus, here will be minus 10 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Okay, now comparing 1 and 2. Okay, now we have to compare equation, this standard equation, and we have given example. Okay, then we got the values of a, b and c. A, here is, we have to check here, a, here is y square, here x square. Okay, means a, here is nothing, means variable, coefficient 1. Then value of b, bx, then 2y means 2. Okay, no need to take positive sign. Okay, then plus c, c means value of c, means here which term, 10, but we have to take here minus sign. Okay, no need of positive sign, but we have to we must take to negative sign. Okay, c is equal to minus 10. Okay, these are the values of a, b and c. Okay, then second example, same. First of all write standard form. Okay, standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is first equation. Now write this equation in standard form. Okay, but here is bracket square, means we have to solve this bracket square by using formula. The formula is which formula? A minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then we have to solve. A square means x square minus 2 multiply a means x multiply b means 1 plus b square means 1 square is equal to remaining term 2x plus 3. Okay, here is x square minus 2 multiply x multiply 1, that is 2x. Square of 1 1, 2x. Okay, take this minus 2x plus 3 to left side. Here is both terms are positive. Okay, here will be negative. Minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, then x square as it is, here is 2x minus 2x, here is minus 2x. Okay, means like terms, means minus minus. Okay, addition of both terms, 2x plus 2x 4x, minus plus 1 minus 3. Okay, one term is positive, one another is negative. Subtract smaller from the bigger, means 3 minus 1 2, and give bigger number sign, minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, equation number second. Comparing, now comparing equation, now comparing 1 and 2. Now we have to compare the standard form with given equation. Here is x square, here is x square, means a is equal to 1. Then b is equal to b, here is value of b, we have to take minus sign, and c here is minus, we have to take value of c with minus sign. Okay, these are the values of a, b and c. Next, third example, x square standard form. First of all, okay, standard form, that is ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. That is first equation. Okay, now given equation, okay, x square plus 5x is equal to, okay, here is minus out of the bracket. Okay, means we have to multiply bracket, whole bracket, by minus sign. Okay, means minus multiply plus 3 means minus 3, minus multiply minus means plus x. Then take these two terms to left side, means x square plus 5x minus 3 plus x, here 0. Okay, we have taken these two terms to this side. Okay, then x square, okay, plus here is 5x, here is plus 1x. Okay, means total 6x minus 3 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Comparing 1 and 2. Okay, now comparing 1 and 2, what we will get? Where is 1? A means here is 1. B, here is bx, here is 6x means 6, and c take with sign minus 3. Okay, this is the values of a, b, c from first three example. Now fourth example from question number 3. Okay, the fourth example, same example like first three examples. Writing, first of all, writing in standard form, that is ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we have to write this equation in standard form, that is 3m square. Okay, we will take this both terms. Okay, both terms to left side. Here plus and here minus, there will be opposite signs. Okay, means here plus, here will be minus m square. Here minus, here will be plus 9 is equal to 0. M square minus 3m square minus 2m square. M square means these are both like terms, means we can subtract or add them. Okay, means 3 minus 2, that is m square, means 1m square plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, but here one term is absent. Okay, that is here degree is 2, but degree 1 term is absent. Okay, this is degree 0 term. Okay, means we have to take 0 term, 0, and we have to take variable. Okay, given in equation, that is m plus 9 is equal to 0. Now we got the quadratic equation ax plus bx plus c in the form of, okay, equation number second. Comparing 1 and 2, that is a is equal to 1, b is equal to what? 0, and c is equal to 9. Okay, b, equation 1 and 2. Now example number 5. Okay, first of all, write standard form, give equation number 1, then we have to solve this bracket. Okay, p multiply 3 means 3p plus 6p multiply 6p means p multiply 6p, 6p square is equal to minus 5. Okay, take to left side this minus 5. Okay, first of all, write up all first p square, then plus 3p, and then this term means plus 5 is equal to 0. This is second equation. Okay, comparing 1 and 2. Comparing 1 and 2. Okay, what is A is equal to 6, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 5. Okay, this is example number 5 from question number 3 and last example. Okay, that is first of all write standard form, then write down example x square minus 9, take 13 to this side. Okay, means here is plus 13, here will be minus 13 is equal to 0. Then equation become minus 9 minus 13. Okay, both terms are negative, means make addition of them and give common sign. Okay, means both signs. Okay, means minus 13 plus 9, 22 is equal to 0. Okay, here is here degree is 2 and here degree is 0, means we don't have the term of degree 1. Okay, then we have to take 0. Okay, like this one, this example. Okay, here is no 0 m term, then we have to take that term. Then x square, here is x variable, that's why we are going to take x variable, means 0x, and then last minus 22 is equal to 0. Okay, remember always variables in the form of degree 2, degree 1 and degree 0. Okay, then equation number 2, comparing 1 and 2. Okay, comparing 1 and 2, value of A is equal to B, value of B is equal, value of A is equal to 1, value of B is equal to 0 and C is equal to minus 22. Okay, now question number 4. The question number 4 is given that determine whether the values given against each equation, quadratic equation, are the roots of the equation. Means in this question we have to decide the roots of equation. Okay, means we have given the values of variable. Okay, here the quadratic equation is given and the value of variable, means here variable is x and we have to put the values of x, means that is variable, that 1 and minus 1. Okay, and we have to check that these values are the roots of this equation or not. Okay, here also same. Okay, here variable is m, then we have given the values of m and we have to put these values of variable m in equation example number 2. Okay, and then we have to decide the roots of equation. Okay, then we will start first example. Okay, first of all put x is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to means 1, means we got equation, put x 1 instead of x, means x 1 square. Okay, plus 4 multiply x means 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. Then solve it. 1 plus 4 multiply 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. 1 plus 4, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5, 0 is equal to 0, means LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, therefore both sides are equal, then we can say that x is equal to 1 is the root of equation. Okay, root of that equation. Okay, next we have second value, put x is equal to minus 1. Now we have to put x is equal to minus 1, means what will equation become? Minus 1 bracket square. Okay, plus 4 multiply x, value of x is minus 1, minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 1 square means 1. Okay, minus 1 square means minus 1 multiply minus 1, that is plus 1. Okay, minus plus. Then plus multiply minus 4 multiply 1, 4, that is minus 5 is equal to 0. Next 1 minus 4 means minus 3. Okay, bigger number sign. Then minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus plus addition means minus 8 is equal to 0. It means here RHS means LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, therefore x is equal to minus 1 is not the root of equation. Okay, means given equation. Okay, this is example number 1. Next second number example. Okay, same like question 1. First of all put m is equal to 2. First of all we have to put m is equal to 2. Then what will equation become? M square means 2 bracket square minus 5 multiply m. M means 2. Okay, then solve this. First of all, make the square of this 2. Square of 2 is 4 minus 5 to the 10. First of all, multiplication. Next, 2 4 the 8 minus 10. Okay, here is 0, here is 0, and here is 0. Okay, then 8 minus 10 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, subtract the smaller number from bigger number. Okay, then we got the 2 and give bigger number sign, that is minus 2, and this side left side. Okay, but here LHS is not equal to RHS, means left hand side and right hand side are not equal. That's why m is equal to 2 is not the root of quadratic equation. Okay, next one. Now last, put m is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, then what will equation become? 2 multiply 5 by 2 means 5 by 2 bracket square minus 5m means 5 multiply 5 by 2. First of all, don't cancel these 2. Okay, first of all we have to solve bracket square. Okay, means square of 5 25 and square of 2 4 minus 5 multiply 5 25 divided by 2. Then 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4 means 20. Sorry, where I forgot right side. Then 5 by 2 minus 25 by 2, then minus 25 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, both same. 25 by 2 minus 25 by 2 means 0 is equal to 0, means LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore m is equal to 5 by 2 is the root of equation or given equation. Okay, मराठीमध्ये जर सांगायचं झालं तर आपल्याला काय विचारलं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 मध्ये, की आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये सांगितले की ते समीकरणाचे मूळ आहे का नाही ते ठरवायचे. दिलेल्या किमती ह्या समीकरणाच्या मूळ आहे का नाही ते ठरवायचे. म्हणजे आपल्याला चलाच्या किमती दिलेल्या आहेत. दिलेल्या चलाच्या किमती आपल्याला सुरुवातीला x इज इक्वल टू 1 ठेवली, नंतर x इज इक्वल टू -2 हे आपल्याला इक्वेशनमध्ये ठेवायचे. त्यांना सॉल्व करायचे. सॉल्व केल्यानंतर दोन्ही साईड म्हणजे आपल्याला उजवी साईड तर 0 आहेच, म्हणजे डावी साईडसुद्धा काय यायला पाहिजे 0. जर 0 आली तरच काय आहे ते त्या समीकरणाचं मूळ आहे. जसं की या ठिकाणी 0 आलेले आहे दोन्ही साईड्स, म्हणजे आपण काय लिहिलं की काय लिहिलं शेवटचं वाक्य मराठीमध्ये, म्हणून x बरोबर 1 हे दिलेल्या समीकरणाचे मूळ आहे. आणि जर नसेल तर काय लिहायचं, ते दिलेल्या समीकरणाचे मूळ नाही, म्हणजे डावी बाजू बरोबर नाही उजवी बाजू. ओके, मराठीमध्ये आपल्याला लिहिता येईल हे. त्याचप्रमाणे इथेही सुद्धा तेच एक्झाम्पल करायचे. म्हणजे दोन्ही साईड 0 0 असतील सेम आल्या तर आपण त्याला मूळ आहे म्हणायचं, आणि जर सारखे नाही आल्या तर ते मूळ नाही, मीन्स नॉट रूट्स ऑफ इक्वेशन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. In question number 5 we have given the one quadratic equation, that is kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0, and if we have given the value of variable, that is x is equal to 3, and we have to find the value of k. Such type of examples will be asked for 1 mark or 2 marks. Okay, we have to only put the value of variable and we have to calculate k. Okay, very simple example. Okay, put x is equal to 3 like question number 4. Okay, this k as it is, then x square means multiply 3, value of x is 3 square, minus 10 multiply value of x 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Then k as it is, multiply k square 3 square 9, 10 multiply 3 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, here k multiply 9 means 9k. Okay, minus 30 plus 3, that is subtract smaller from the bigger, that is minus 27. Okay, and give bigger number sign minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 9k is equal to, take to this side, means here negative, here will be positive. Then k is equal to 27, this multiplication, here will be division, 9 3s are. Okay, means k is equal to 3. Okay, we got the value of k. Okay, this is question number 5. Let's see the question number 6. The question number 6 is based on the activity type questions. Okay, such type of example will be asked in exam for marks 2. Okay, activity based question, that is okay, very easy. Let's see. In question we have given the one of the root of equation of equation, the given equation is 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 by 5. We have given one of the root, okay, means minus 7 by 5 is the root of equation given, okay, this given equation, and means we have given the root of equation. Root of equation means both sides of that equation will be 0, okay, means we have to take the value of variable is minus 7 by 5, okay, one of the root is given, find k, okay. Let's see, we don't have give here ki put x is equal to 1, okay, we have given here one of the root, okay, this is very important. One of the root means here m is variable, means we have to put m is equal to that value minus 7 by 5, okay. Here we have to, the activity based question means we have to complete these boxes. Dash dash is a root of quadratic equation. What is root of equation, quadratic equation? That is minus 7 by 5, okay, minus 7 by 5 is the root of quadratic equation. Then put m is equal to, that's why if this is the root, that then we have to put m is equal to minus 7 by 5 in the equation, means we have to put minus 7 by 5 instead of m, okay. Then 5 multiply minus 7 by 5 bracket square, okay, plus 2 multiply minus 7 by 5, okay. Then this we have to first of all we have to solve bracket, means 5 multiply bracket square means this square, okay, means minus 7 square means square of 7, minus 7 multiply minus 7, that is 49, and square of 5, that is 25, plus 2 multiply minus 7, that is minus 14 by 5, okay. Then plus k is equal to 0. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 are means 49 by 5. Here minus 14 by 5, okay, plus k. Then denominator is same, okay, denominator same means we can write here, okay, what is writing 49 plus minus 14 divided by, denominator is same means divided by 5, plus k is equal to 0. Here also I am writing, I have extended one step, okay, 49, okay. Then denominator is 5, okay, as it is, okay. 49 plus minus 14 means 49 minus 14, okay. We can directly subtract this equation, 49 minus 14, that is 35, okay, 35, and plus 35, okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 5 means value of k is equal to 7, okay. This is activity based question, okay. In this way we have completed our practice set 2.1 from chapter number 2, quadratic equation, okay.